Welcome back. I'm the Watch King. On this video, we're going to talk about how you can save thousands of dollars. Instead of trading in your watch, you can get a whole new look for way less money and you get your money out of it in the long term. So without further ado, let's hop straight into it.
Jumping right into it, here is this beautiful watch in question. So I just changed out the dial on this piece, and it was a very simple thing to do. And I don't know why this is the first client I ever had that I changed it out. I've had clients before with aftermarket dials, and I've changed them out for the clients. But this is the first time I've ever, changed out a factory dial for an aftermarket, and I'll explain how he saved a ton of money, right? These particular dials are from a high end here in the States. He makes the dials himself, all himself, really nice. I mean, you could tell this is just a beautiful, beautiful dial. This is not some, nothing wrong with China, but, if they're making aftermarket dials, it just doesn't look fully right, in my opinion. So this is just really, just a really nice, beautiful sunburst. I can't get over it, honestly. It's just amazing. Okay, but going back, so this is his original factory dial. I don't want to take it out, but I'll pop up a picture. This is a champagne dial right here in my hand. You'll see it in the corner, what it looks like in this watch. And it's just a lot of gold. It's very shiny, hard to tell the time with the gold bezel and that. It's just an overload of gold. He goes, you know what? I want something with diamonds and sapphires. So I always like to get something that is like factory, right? It's like a factory dial, and this is like a factory dial. They make this dial factory. Honestly, the dial here is so hard to tell that it's not factory. You have to get really close. I mean, nobody from across the room could ever tell, or even like next to you. It's very hard to tell, and it's high quality. Real mother of pearl, real diamonds, real sapphires. This is a genuinely great dial. Then we move here to the blue one. The blue one is stunning. Blue's always great on watches, and he will love it. So we went through a journey of 3 dials. Hopefully this is the perfect one. Actually, this journey even started before this because he thought this would be too big. He liked yellow gold. There's no 37 Yachtmaster in yellow gold. There's only a 35. So he tried that. That didn't work. He traded it back in, and we started with steel. So this guy's been on a journey for the perfect watch. I hope he finds it here. But just imagine, right? He took a hit on those first 2 trade-ins because that's just, normal. And the market moves and all that, and you wear it. There's a difference between brand new and wearing it. Now, after everything, he didn't really take a hit, right? You buy, this came with the watch. So that's all together, full box and papers on this piece. He purchased this dial, right? And then he purchased this dial. But you know what the amazing thing is? If he ever needs to sell it or he's sick of the watch, I just go to my watchmaker. I put this dial back in here, all factory. I sell it as all factory watch. And then he has 2 extra dials. We could either, he could, let me sell it for him and I'll get, most of his money back. Or he could keep it or whatever. Well, you always figure out there's value here, but you could always do that. And you get all your value back, right? So if he kept trading in the watch, right now 2 more times, he would be in 4 trade-ins and you would just be devastated, right? Because you have to, I have a business, I run things and everything like that. So this is just a great option to change to the look. And let me know, have you ever changed the dial in your watch? Have you ever, I like to always go with something factory because also my manufacturer here is in the United States. It's all made here in the US from scratch. So it's a bit more money, but you could really see it, right? There's some cheaper dials that just don't look good at all, aftermarket, and these are definitely not the ones for them. So let me know your opinions. Would you do this? Is this something you would do? Have you changed it? Like for instance, I would never, another example is if you have this watch, it's like if you get a green dial, it's like getting a horrible paint job on a Ferrari, like a neon green, right? Because there's a reason why Rolex only makes certain dials factory on this watch, and I always swayed my clients. Now, if he insisted for a green or a pink or whatever the case may be, you know what? I would do it for him. I would, but I wouldn't recommend it just because it doesn't look fully right, right? This looks like Well, it is a retail $15,000, $20,000 watch, full box papers, everything like that. So the money is there, right? And you could always just flop it back and do that. I'm telling you retail numbers, right? Because I am a wholesaler, and if you contact me directly, I can always get these watches for a bit cheaper. But I'm saying if you're going into, if you walked into Rolex, it's probably $25,000. That's what they charge for something like that. But anyway, nevertheless, I think this is a cool, unique way to change up your watch. And I would like to thank you all for watching. Now, this watch is not in the vintage store, but if you are looking for vintage watches, please go check out the WatchKingOfficial.com down in the description below. I bet you, even if you're not looking to buy anything, just to go there and check out all the vintage pieces, it's worth doing because we have some amazing pieces in stock right now. Thank you, and I will catch you in the next one. Have a great day.